equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To maintain your Dyson hairdryer, start by unplugging the device. Use a soft brush to clean the filter. This helps improve airflow and performance. Next, check for any visible damage. Look for cracks or loose screws. If you find any, it's best to consult a professional. Remember, you can get a professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, let's open the casing. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws carefully. Keep them in a safe place. Once open, inspect the internal components for dust or debris. A clean interior ensures your dryer runs smoothly. If you notice any issues, consider our pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. After cleaning, reassemble the dryer. Make sure all screws are tightened properly. This prevents any rattling during use. Finally, plug it back in and test it. If it's not working as expected, remember, no calls, no travel. You can get a quote before repair. Regular maintenance keeps your Dyson in top shape. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.